This may not come through that well, but this tree was hit with fire. You can see the fire ran up this tree, did not kill it. There's fire that was in there. This is just around the corner from my house, and it was headed that way. So this stand of trees, you can see the black, it burned up. These are some evergreens, but this one's pretty much a goner. It has not come back. Some of the other ones have come back. You can see this one here, that's a definite goner. That one, I have a picture somewhere, that was fully engulfed, as well as that one. And then there's a house back here. I'm not going to show the house, but they had the gazebo that burned. Thankfully, that was all that burned. This was all black. Like I said, my house is right there through those woods, not that far. So that's how close it got to us. It probably got within 500 feet of us. But you can see this stand here. It jumped this side of the road. This entire field was gone. Within 2 weeks after the fire, it was already growing and green again. Wildfires are no joke. I mean, it took this stand out here. That weekend we had 60 to 80 mile an hour winds, and it was just pushing it this way. So when they tell you to leave, leave, because it moves fast. To show you how strong nature is at coming back, this tree was engulfed pretty decent, but it didn't wipe the whole tree out. It took some of these out, but you can see this tree here, even though it took out a lot of it, there's still a lot of green at the top. So I'm assuming these will survive. These won't. The couple here they're dead. They're gone. You can already tell. But it's just amazing how quick nature can come back. I mean, it's really sad. You know, this tree here is fighting. It's half green. This is where the flames hit, obviously. But you can see it took out this stand. And back in there's some hardwood too it took. And just on the other side of this bunch of trees is a huge field. And I'm going to get to that in a second and show you that field, because that field was wiped out completely. Like I said, thankfully no homes, no lives lost. The first responders, awesome job. I mean, kudos. They got in here and they took care of business. This whole group was taken out. Some are coming back and most aren't. So this entire field was black and burned. You can see some of the trees are too. This whole field was just burned up. My house is right on the other side of those trees. And again, so this, about a mile from my house, this whole field was black. You can see that tree there, that group of trees there, they're all burned up. That's burned. They've been trying to be preemptive now. They've had crews come in, and they've come in and taken out a lot of the dead wood and underbrush, and they're starting to stack it here. And they have a couple other locations. So hopefully, even if it happens again, hopefully it won't be as severe.